Hello friends, welcome back to Texan, back with another video. This time is a new trimmer introduced by Xiaomi in India, the Xiaomi Uniblade trimmer. So I'm just going to unbox it for you. I got this one from Flipkart. Let's go unbox. So very compact packing. This is the Xiaomi Uniblade trimmer. Specialties is skin-friendly blade mesh for smooth shaving, 3-way precision shaving head, 14 length settings, IPXM water resistant, 1.5-hour fast charging, USB-C. So this is one good thing. Unlike the Braun and the Philips trimmers, this is got USB-C charging, so you don't have to have a different cable for this. And it has got adjustable trimming comb as well. So yeah, I just wanted to try it out, and if good, just pass it on to my dad. So got it for 1,500 from Flipkart. Xiaomi website do sell this as well. So let me open it up right now. Okay, so I've just got it. So this is how it comes, the booklet. The trimmer comb, USB-A to USB-C cable, the blade. So here comes the body as well, the trimmer body. So yeah, here you go. Then done. So just push it, and here it is. Looks nice, trendy, handy, good grip as well. So the charging works like this. You need to push, and here is the USB-C. So you need to take this, push it slightly, and this comes out. This is how it is. It's working. So now let's go and test this out. So let me go and shave and show you how good it is compared to the Braun and the Philips trimmers. So let's testing this one, and see how good it works. This comparing with Braun is cutting more faster. Even comparing to Philips, this cutting here faster. I don't think it's going to give a very clean full shave like the blades, normal blades, but it is working a little faster. It caught one of my hairs, and there was slight pain just now, which was not there in the Braun or Philips ones. More flexible, the trimmer seems to be more flexible, gliding through my neck. To almost 3 minutes right now, 3 minutes. So this is the shave finish. For a closer shave, you would need a blade, definitely. Not many of these trimmers is going to give a completely close shave. Like I can do it more slowly and cut off more hair with this one, but when you do it quickly, this is what the results are. This is the trimming comb. This is how the trimming comb is fitted. The click sound comes in. Now you can use the dial. After the click sound comes, you can use the dial for different adjustments. These are the different adjustments available. 0.4 lens settings, you can use it. I'm going to use the least settings and try to adjust my moosh. The least settings now, 0.4. So let me try and adjust my moosh with this trimming comp. The least settings almost was like a clean shave, so I didn't realize that. I thought I should have gone for like a 0.8 or 1. This was slightly more difficult because it's almost like a clean shave. So yeah, this is the quality 0.6, not a clean shave, but still almost like a clean shave. So this trimmer, the Xiaomi Uniblade trimmer is fine. It is cutting a fantastic USB-C, which is an added advantage. But for a cleanup, like precision shave, when you compare it with the raw blade of this one, I find Braun much more comprehensively effective, and Philips, almost similar with this one. Philips and this Xiaomi Uniblade is almost similar. Braun does give a little more better finish to your using this raw blade. If you want a very clean finish, definitely you need to go with your razor. Otherwise, these things do help. After the Xiaomi one, if you need, you need to shave with your razor, and after the Philips one also, Braun does give you almost a very closer shave. So in my opinion, if you're going for a clean shave, Braun does really work, and otherwise these things do help. I find Xiaomi very useful, and I'm overall liking this product more than the Philips one. And the Braun, the Philips blade is very soft on your skin. Face skin, it doesn't feel, skin doesn't really rattle. Braun is like slightly harsh on your skin. If you're looking for a soft approach, Philips is the best buy. So yes, friends, thank you for watching the video. I'll be back again with another video from Texan. Take care. Bye-bye.